Hemp oil pain relief. First, it is important to note that there is a lot of confusion around the names of these products. Hemp oil is another way that people can refer to CBD oil. However, some people may also refer to hemp seed oil as hemp oil. Hemp seed oil and CBD oil are very different products. CBD oil uses the stalks, leaves, and flowers of the hemp plant in its production. These contain a higher concentration of CBD, which is a compound with numerous potential health benefits. Meanwhile, hemp seed oil comes from the seeds of the cannabis sativa plant. The seeds do not contain CBD, but they still have a rich profile of nutrients, fatty acids, and useful bioactive compounds that can also have health benefits. Having a better understanding of hemp seed oil and CBD oil may allow both clinicians and consumers to choose the safest and most appropriate product. Keep reading to learn more about the differences between hemp seed oil and CBD oil. Hemp seed oil. Both hemp seed and CBD oil contain a range of compounds that may offer health benefits. Image credit, R.J. Sangusti, The Denver Post via Getty Image. Hemp seed oil derives from the seeds of the cannabis sativa plant. It contains omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, gamma-linolenic acid, and other nutritional antioxidants. It is also high in B vitamins and vitamin D. People will not get high when using hemp seed oil, as it contains no tetrahydrocannabinol (THC) and little to no CBD. Uses. People do not use hemp seed oil for recreational purposes. This is because the levels of THC and CBD, which cause the psychoactive effects, are either limited or absent. Some nutritional supplements contain hemp seed oil because of its high omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid, gamma-linolenic acid, and nutritious antioxidant content. Other uses of hemp seed oil include manufacturing clothing and fibers. How it works. Some people suggest that hemp seed oils can help people maintain good cardiovascular health by improving total cholesterol, high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, triglycerides. However, the evidence for its efficacy for these purposes is not clear. Effects and benefits. When manufacturers add hemp seed oil to nutritional products, such as snack bars, breads, cookies, and yogurt, it provides an excellent source of nutrients. It is rich in unsaturated fatty acids and essential amino acids. Hemp seed oil also has several possible benefits, including relieving constipation, providing cardiovascular health benefits, modifying the immune system, improving skin conditions, improving gastrointestinal conditions. Some other possible benefits of hemp seed oil include anti-cancer effects, antioxidant effects, anti-aging effects. Hemp seed oil also contains other components that may provide benefits to consumers. How is it made? Manufacturers extract hemp seed oil from the seeds of the hemp plant. Since the oil comes from the seeds and not the leaves, flowers, or stem of the cannabis plant, hemp seed oil does not contain THC. Risks and side effects. Consuming hemp seed oil is safe. However, it may not provide any benefit for cardiovascular health, as some people believe. Some consumers also report digestive issues, but these effects may not occur in everyone. Less than 0.3% of the dry weight of hemp seed oil contains THC, so people are unlikely to experience a high when consuming it. Learn more about the potential benefits of hemp seeds here. CBD oil. People can generally find 3 different types of CBD oil on the market. Full-spectrum CBD oil, which contains all compounds of the cannabis plant, including THC, but at a very low level. Broad-spectrum CBD oil, which contains several compounds but not THC. CBD oil made using CBD isolate, which contains only CBD. It is important to note that because these terms are not regulated, some manufacturers may use them interchangeably. People should always check the Certificate of Analysis (COA) of CBD products. Usually, a third party will conduct this testing. Checking the COA is the only way to fully understand what exactly a CBD oil product contains. For more information and resources on CBD and CBD products, please visit our dedicated hub. Some people use CBD oils for their alleged medicinal benefits. For example, people may use CBD-derived products for epilepsy, pain and inflammation, anxiety and depression, addiction management, inflammatory skin conditions, neurodegenerative conditions. Aside from the anti-epileptic effects of CBD, researchers still need to confirm the other potential therapeutic benefits of CBD. Since full-spectrum CBD oil contains THC, some people may use it for recreational purposes because it has psychoactive effects. Other effects of THC may include preventing nausea and vomiting. These oils may also contain smaller amounts of other phytocannabinoids and terpenoids, which may have other effects that require further investigation. Learn more about the potential health benefits of CBD oil here. How it works. Researchers are still attempting to determine how CBD affects the body, but they suggest that it works in several ways, including by inhibiting endocannabinoid reuptake, activating the transient receptor potential vanilloid 1, which plays a role in regulating pain, and G-coupled receptor 55, increasing the activity of serotonin receptors. The THC in full-spectrum CBD oil binds to the CB1 receptor in the endocannabinoid system, and this is responsible for its psychoactive effects. Full and broad-spectrum CBD oils may also contain beta-caryophyllene, which can bind to the CB2 receptors. Researchers are still investigating the function of the CB2 receptors. Effects and benefits.